Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick review on this Lysol laundry sanitizer, just in case you're thinking about it. So obviously, you know, they advertise, and it's no bleach. They advertise the fact that it kills all the bacteria and kills cold and flu viruses and the COVID-19 virus. But the biggest thing, and the reason why we use it is it just gets rid of the stink. So I work out most days, Peloton or lifting weights or whatever, and can get a little stinky, and particularly in my workout shirts, absolutely, especially if they sit for a couple of days in the laundry before you put them in. Getting that odor, especially from the underarm area, was tricky. But now with this, we just add it where you'd add your liquid bleach in your washing machine, and they come out smelling great. Literally, I can stick it right up to my nose and no odor whatsoever. So we've gone through many jugs of this now, and thought I'd share it here. And there's zero bleach smell. It actually smells pretty good. So no weird chemical smell or anything, just comes out smelling like fresh, clean laundry. So hope that helps. Thanks.